Hey guys, so today we're gonna show you how to fix a flappy mirror on the 944. This is how it's supposed to work. And what usually happens often in those cars is this. So basically there's a bolt inside that loosens over the time when you flap the mirrors. As you can see, it happens quite often. So we're gonna do a quick fix today. It's pretty simple and we're gonna show you how to do it. It's the same mirror that goes on a few models of the 911, 928, 968, I think, maybe 924s. Yeah, so today we're gonna fix all of those. So first thing you gotta do is to loosen up that Allen bolt in here. So next thing you want to do, you want to put a towel or some kind of cloth here that you won't damage your paint. Then lift it up. It goes out. And that's it, it's out. Basically what got loosened is this bolt, which connects somewhere here. So you want to press it, this one first of all, it needs to be in the same line. It needs to be aligned like that. Press it as hard as you can inside and then turn it around clockwise. Now this is the tricky part. You need two people for that. You probably won't be able to do that alone, because it's really hard. We found useful this tool. Basically, you can see you need to be careful for that cable. Be cautious. So you put it in, push it. This has to be always aligned, otherwise it won't get in. So you just press it against and starting screwing it gently, step by step, not to destroy the cable. We did put, before tightening up, a little bit Loctite on the bolt inside, so it won't get loose again. So that's it basically. We're tightening it enough, and then you wanna return this gasket to its place. A little bit up, then just slide it down the holes. Yeah. And return that bolt, obviously. Let's see where it goes. It goes right here. Okay, that's tight enough, and let's see. Yeah, just as new.